Hi there. Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Adobe Creative Cloud not opening on Windows 11. If Adobe Creative Cloud won't open on your computer, don't worry. Just follow along and we'll fix it step by step. Step 1, we need to close any background processes of Adobe Creative Cloud. Go to the Start menu, type Task Manager, and open it from the list. In the search box at the top, type Creative to filter results. Then right-click each Creative Cloud process and select End Task. Once all related processes are closed, exit Task Manager. Step 2, right-click on the Adobe Creative Cloud shortcut and choose Open File Location. In the folder that opens, right-click on Adobe Creative Cloud again and click Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations, and also check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. To save your changes and try opening the app again. Step 3, let's check the firewall settings to make sure Creative Cloud isn't being blocked. Open the Start menu and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Then click to open it. On the left, select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then click the Change Settings button. Then click Browse and find your Creative Cloud app. If you don't know where it is, just search for Adobe in the Start menu and select Open File Location. Copy the file path from the top of the folder window. Then go back to the firewall screen, paste the path, choose the Creative Cloud app, and click Add. Once it's added to the list, tick both boxes, Private and Public, and click OK to confirm. Step 4, update your system to make sure compatibility isn't the issue. Open the Start menu and click Settings to open it. From the left panel, scroll down and select Windows Update, then click Check for Updates. If updates are available, install them and restart your PC. And that's it. Hopefully Adobe Creative Cloud is now opening correctly on your Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful guides.